Hello friends, in this video we will discuss who has to file which ITR form. Let's get into the details. Total income less than 50 lakhs ITR 1. Total income more than 50 lakhs ITR 2. Partnership form, no presumptive scheme ITR 5. Partnership firm with presumptive scheme ITR 4. Partner in a firm ITR 3. Limited liability partnership ITR 5. Association of persons ITR 5. Body of individual ITR 5. Artificial judicial person ITR 5. Companies not claiming exemption under section 11 ITR 6. Charitable or religious trust ITR 7. Political party ITR 7. Newspaper agency ITR 7. Scientific research organization ITR 7. University ITR 7. Hospital ITR 7. Director ITR 2. Now we will look into all forms. ITR 1. ITR 1 has to file by individual being a resident. Only resident individual only can file ITR 1 with salary income or total income up to 50 lakhs and having one house property, bank, other source income like bank and trust, and who have income of betting from horse race, those kind of income, if he is not eligible to file ITR 1. And agriculture income up to 5,000, those category can file ITR 1. Who has to file ITR 2? Whose income, total income is more than 50 lakhs and who has more than one house property and having foreign income or having foreign asset and having capital gain income and holding a directorship in a company, holding equity shares in an unlisted company. These categories can file ITR 2. Who has to file ITR 3? For individuals and HFs having income from profits and gains of business or profession. And this is along with ITR 1, means who has to, those incomes mentioned in ITR 1 plus business or profession. And as a partner in a firm also can file ITR 3. And presumptive scheme income more than 50 lakhs also can file ITR 3. Next, ITR 4. Every income mentioned under ITR 1 plus presumptive income under section 44 AD, ADA, AE. Here income, professional income limit should be less than 50 lakhs and business turnover limit should be less than 2 crores. And who has to file ITR 5? A person other than individual, HUF, company and person filing form ITR 7. Just now we have discussed who has to file form ITR 7. Those other than those has to file ITR 5. In this list, firms and LLP, AJP, AOP, BI, BOI, these all will come under ITR 5. ITR 6. ITR 6. For companies other than those companies claiming exemption under section 11 has to file ITR 6. ITR 7, already we have seen ITR 7. Newspaper agency, educational institution, business trust, university, political party, those all can file ITR 7. Thank you friends.